Hello and welcome to my channel today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and share it with your family and friends. Today I'll show you how to make the best, soft, delicious, flavorful kebab at home. These kebabs are very easy to grill. So now let's get started. We have taken boneless chicken 400 grams, adding salt to it as per taste. Freshly crushed black pepper, half tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. We have used fresh cream, 1 tablespoon, and yogurt, 2 tablespoons over here. Yogurt is the key ingredient in making kebab that tenderizes the chicken. Add half lemon juice to it, freshly squeezed. Chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons. Cooking oil, 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Add 1.5 tablespoons of red chilli powder. If you want it more spicy, you can add a bit of more chilli powder. Then I'll add garam masala powder, half tablespoon. You can also use tandoori masala instead. Mix everything well. Let this boneless marinated chicken rest for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, our chicken has been marinated well. Taste the marinade and add more salt and spice if needed. As we are going to use the wooden skewers, soak them in water for a while. Line the chicken on the skewers. Similarly, we have skewed in all the chicken. Using 400 grams of boneless chicken, we have made 2 sticks of it. It looks so tender and juicy. I am going to use electronic grill over here, adding cooking oil 2 tablespoons so that it spreads well. Add chicken to it, adding both the sticks of chicken in it. Let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes in high flame. These oven grilled chicken kebabs are ready. These are extremely delicious and flavorful. You can serve them as an appetizer or side dish with mint chutney. Enjoy your kebab. Thank you for watching.